esteemed guests, faculty, and most importantly, the graduating class of 2025. It is an honor to stand before you today, particularly as we celebrate a significant milestone, our graduation. It's been a long and winding road, filled with late nights, early mornings, long travel, and most of the time, caffeine-fueled study sessions. But here we are at the finish line. Today, as we celebrate not just the graduates, but also a barista who mastered the art of crafting the perfect cup and bringing a little joy to our daily lives. The coffee making experience has impacted my life. Being a barista, we are not just a coffee makers, we are a skilled professionals who understand the nuances, flavor, and the importance of presentation, developing time management, and the art of customer service, precision, focus, and dedication in perfecting the latte art can be applied to any field as we choose to pursue. Now, as we step into the world, embrace the lessons we have learned and carry that passion into our future endeavors. May your future be as rich and flavorful as a perfectly brewed espresso. May your path be as smooth and as steamed milk. And may our successes be as abundant as the foam on a cappuccino. Don't be afraid to take risks, to explore new possibilities, and to continue learning and growing. On behalf of Barista Class 2025, I would like to extend my sincerest gratitude to the families, friends, and mentors, trainer, especially to Chef Josh, who had provided full support and guidance throughout my journey. Your love and the encouragement has been an integral part of my success. I also thank Emirates Education Center for providing the foundation and the resources necessary for the graduates to thrive. My fellow graduates, today is not just the end, but the beginning of a new chapter. Embrace the triumph, never stop pursuing your dreams and passions. Again, congratulations to us graduates of Batch 2025. Thank you.